I have been getting questions about meal replacement and weight loss shakes in the market for a long. The problem is not with these shakes. The issue is twofold. The first problem arises when someone sells you such drinks in the name of weight loss shake. Look, I'm telling you again and remember that there is no such thing as a weight loss shake. 100% of MLM companies use this marketing gimmick, and in most situations it is quite damaging to your body in long run. All of these concepts originated in the West. As I previously stated, the issue is not with the shakes themselves. The issue is in the purpose of their sales. For example, when you hear the term weight loss shake, you assume that by drinking it, you will start losing weight. This is absolutely not the case. These companies say you can lose weight by drinking their shakes instead of eating regular food. They say the shakes are low in calories, so you will lose weight fast. The problem is that they want you to replace most of your meals with these shakes. This can be bad because your body needs a variety of foods to stay healthy. But some shakes are made with good ingredients and are recommended by doctors. Many people use these shakes as a supplement to their regular diet, not as a replacement for all their meals. Whey protein is good for you, but it shouldn't replace other protein sources from food. If someone tells you to stop eating regular food and only drink whey protein, that's not a good advice. Supplements are meant to add to your diet, not replace it. Most weight loss shakes are low in calories and have vitamins and minerals added. However, many of these shakes are made with low quality ingredients. There are also some high quality shakes available that can be beneficial for certain people. Astronauts, soldiers on special missions, and people who are sick or can't eat solid food may need special shakes to get the nutrients they need. These shakes are designed to provide a complete meal in liquid form. After natural disasters, people may not have enough food. In these cases, liquid meals can be helpful. They can also be useful for elderly people who may have trouble eating regular food, people with psychological issues, and people with eating disorders. The main problems with weight loss shakes are low-grade ingredients. Many shakes are made with poor quality ingredients. Lack of satiety. Drinking shakes often doesn't satisfy your hunger, leading to more cravings. High cost. Shakes can be expensive, especially if you replace all your meals with them. These companies want to make money, not necessarily help you lose weight. It's better to use high quality supplements as a part of balanced diet, not as a replacement for all your meals. The biggest problem with using shakes as a complete meal replacement is that it's not sustainable. You can't rely on shakes for all your nutrients forever. It's better to lose weight by eating healthy food, which you can do for the rest of your life. Many people have successfully lost weight and stayed healthy by following a balanced diet. Many people who try weight loss shakes gain weight back when they stop using them and return to their normal diet. This is because shakes often lead to drastic calorie reduction and can replace healthy meals. While this may initially lead to weight loss, it's not sustainable. It's important to consider the long-term effects and find a healthier way to lose weight. Food is not something to be afraid of. It's a source of pleasure and nourishment. Some people use supplements to get the nutrients they need, especially if they can't always get enough from their food. Supplements should be used to add to your diet, not replace it. When choosing supplements, look for high quality options that are designed to provide additional nutrients. While weight loss shakes can be a quick fix, they often have drawbacks such as low quality ingredients, lack of satiety, and high cost. It's important to consider the long-term effects and choose a sustainable approach to weight loss. A balanced diet with healthy food and high-quality supplements is generally a better option.